welcome to CS Codes. This video is about a C++ program to swap two numbers without using the third variable. The multiplication and division method is used to swap the numbers. First, we must declare the header file, then the main function, then declaring the variable in the form of int a and b. So now we are getting the input from user, enter two numbers, that is C reads the input given by the user and stores in the variable a and b. It prints before swapping of numbers, that is the value of a and b. \n it is used for new line. Now we are going to perform some operations between a and b using the multiplication and division. First operation, a is equal to a into b. Let us assume the value of a is 5 and value of b is 10. A into b, that is 5 into 10, 50. Now the value of a is 50. Next operation, b is equal to a by b. The current value of a is 50. 50 divided by value of b, that is 10. Divided by 10, that is 5. Now the value of b becomes 5. Next operation, a is equal to a by b. The current value of a is 50 and the value of b is 5. Now the value of a becomes 10. Now you can see the value of a and b is swapped by performing some operations between a and b using multiplication and division. So entering two numbers 5 and 10, before swapping the value of a and b is displayed, that is 5 and 10. After swapping the value of a and b are displayed, that is value of a becomes 10 and the value of b becomes 5.